What up, yo? I'm not giving you any more food. You just shit on the patio. Now I gotta clean it up. What's going on? Welcome to another video. Today we're on an adventure. Really just riding around, having a little fun. It's cold. It's like 50 degrees. It's cold for this Florida boy. But yeah, I'm just kind of ripping around, seeing what's new, seeing the people, seeing what's happening. But yeah, definitely making some progress with the wheelies. Trying to drop it back now, which is cool. Oh my God, my hands are cold. But yeah, I've been dropping it back. I was riding the other day, I wasn't filming, but it just kind of clicked. And I got past balance point, like pretty decently. But it was a slow progression past, like hit balance and then slowly feel a drop back. And that just like unlocked something. I was like, oh shit, there we go, okay. So hit that point and just light little tap on the brake. Light tap. I remember why I don't come over here. This is not a good spot. Got the man cleaning up his candy canes. The kids were doing some villainous things. Yeah, pretty excited about the progress. Always trying to make progress every single time. Trying to push it a little further, and I think it's working. Haven't looped out yet, so that's pretty lucky, I'd say. Man, it is cold out here today. Is that other car still behind me? I need to bounce. This is not the spot. Get this turn real quick. All right, ready and new spot. All right, while I was riding over here, I thought of the other thing I wanted to talk about, and that was the Torp controller for Talaria coming soon. How fucking hype is that? I've been seeing every Sur-on video about the Torp controller. Everyone says it's beast. Now, Talarias, unite. We can get the Torp. That's gonna be awesome. I saw it on the website. They got an installation video that dropped. The cover on the front, it looks sexy. Oh man, it's so nice. It is so nice. Torp, holler at me. Let me beta test. I'll go over it in so much detail. I'm so excited for it. You got the app, phone hookup. The app is actually legit. You got regen thumb braking. You got displays custom for Torp users. You got 25 kilowatts peak power for you wild boys out there. You know what else you got, which is the best and my personal favorite? Weight reduction. 1 kilogram. So yeah, on the website it just said coming soon. I hope soon means it's coming in a couple months, because I am ready. Take my money, please. Oh God. Oh, didn't get far enough. But yeah, it needs to be in this baby right here. Look at that. Imagine the goodness. Look at this. Your boy's straightening wheelies out now. We getting there. Damn, it is cold. So I actually thought about coming to this spot right here with a leaf blower and like cleaning this all up and using this as like a circle wheelie spot. That's just a septic place, and they close at like 5 o'clock. No one drives through there. Let's go.